In this lesson, we're going to talk about the letter A. We'll learn what it looks like and the sound that it represents. This is an uppercase A. We write it like this. We do a diagonal line down, a diagonal line down, and then a line across. That's an uppercase A. Let's try writing it in the air together. Diagonal down, lift up your pencil. Diagonal down, lift up your pencil, line across. And a lowercase a looks like this. It's a circle and then a line. So let's try writing it together. Circle, line. That's a lowercase a. So now let's look at some examples and see if we can figure out, is this a letter A or not? Is this an A? No, this is a Q. A Q is a circle and then a line, but the line goes really far down. If it was an A, it would just stop here, right when the curve stops too. Is this an A? No, this isn't an A either. This is a line on this side. The line also goes really far down. With a lowercase a, we have a circle and a line, but the line is on this side, and it's not as long. Is this an A? It is. This is a lowercase a circle and a line. I also want to show you this kind of A. This A, we sometimes might see it in books written this way. I don't like this one as much. I think the circle and the line is easier, but just in case you see it, this might be a letter you see sometimes. Sometimes people write it this way. We're not going to practice that, but you might see it in books or written down somewhere else. To make an A with your body, look at what we're going to do. We're going to stand up. We got to spread our legs to be the two diagonal lines. It's kind of like the diagonal line continues all the way up through her arm, and then the other diagonal from her fingertips all the way to her toes, and then the line that goes across is just her belly. Can you make this with your body? To make the sound for A, we have to open our mouth like this, and then we say the sound in the back of our throat. So the letter A is a vowel, and the sound that we're going to learn, the short sound, is ah. Ah. Try it with me. Ah. The sound is ah. So let's look at some words that start with A, and we hear the ah sound. What is this? This is an apple. Say it with me. Apple. That's the beginning sound for ah, the letter A. What animal is this? It's not a crocodile because that doesn't start with A. That doesn't start with the sound ah. This is an alligator. Alligator. We hear the ah sound. Say it with me. Ooh, what is this person? This person is an astronaut. Now I'll say it regularly. Astronaut. That starts with the sound ah, the short A sound. This is an axe. And this fruit is called an apricot. All of these start with the sound ah. Ah is the letter A. So now we have our card. It goes like this. A, apple, ah. Let's do it again. A, apple, ah. So this helps us remember the letter A. Here's the uppercase A and the lowercase a. They can represent the sound ah, the short vowel sound, like in the word apple. Keep practicing with me. A, apple, ah. And to make an A in sign language, it's like we're going to do a fist bump. We just rotate our hand and make sure your thumb is to the side. When I look at this, it kind of looks like a lowercase a. Do you see it? There's the circle and the line. Or if I'm looking here on the screen, the circle and then the thumb is like the line. That's a strategy I use to remember that this is an A. And that's all we're doing today. Now we know the letter A, what it looks like uppercase, what it looks like lowercase, and we know that the sound that it can represent, the short sound, is ah. So we'll keep practicing this and be able to read so much. The more you practice, the smarter you are. Every time you get smarter. See you soon.